Touchdown. We've made it.
You fucking recovered.
Moment of lift off oversteer, we have blown the coolant temp sensor clean out of the system. It's this little black clip. I'm gonna go to the car, we're gonna fit this, get this up and running. Yes people, so it's a few days later. Check out the aftermath. All these bottles of water to get home. Yeah, long day, long day. The bodge did not hold. I repeat, the bodge did not hold. Right, so there's our bodge. We've got a new sensor and new stuff, so we've got to remove all that right now, put the new one in. But as you can see, coolant went everywhere. So have the new sensor. Yeah, we did have a new clip, but that's looking far too big. Maybe I can bend it, I don't know, we'll see. But I can't see that working unless I bend it. So yeah, we'll work something out, because plastic or metal, that plastic, not gonna work. Rain's about to chuck down. out like so. Oh, beautiful. Now we've got to clean this all up to put the new sensor in. So there we go, new clip in for the time being. Now I need to sort this crap out. All sorted. Now we can test for leaks. I'm gonna fill up with water first because I don't want to put a whole new fresh coolant in it for there to be leaks, and then yeah, just be wasting the coolant. So we're gonna fill it up with water, make sure the system pressurizes and it holds the water, and then at a later date we'll drop it out, put some coolant back in it, and then jobs are good. Right, so engine running, we've got some water in the system. Just got to bleed it now. Fans kick on, we're all good. Bang, nice and hot, man. Well, yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video there. So we made it back from Silverstone alright. You saw the issues that we went through, so like and subscribe guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.